In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can set the default duration for transitions in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I have several clips here, and when I select these clips and I press Ctrl or Command D, I add my default transition. I can also hover on top of it and then right-click to add the default transition. And if you select that default transition, as you can see here in the Effect Controls window, the duration is 105 seconds. Now, what if you want to have the duration longer or shorter for your project? You can go to Edit and then choose Preferences, and here we're going to go to Timeline. So here you can change your default transition duration for video and audio. The video transition is default 30 frames and audio transition is default 1 second. To keep in mind that video transitions are visible and pasted to video tracks and audio transitions are pasted to audio tracks. But if you want to change your duration, you can do so here. So let's say I want 60 frames in my project for video transition. So I give in 60 and then I press OK. Now, as you can see here, the transitions you had before you changed your default transition time will not be affected. But if you now added the new default transition, you can see here that the new settings have been adjusted. As you can see here, 2 seconds then. And all subsequent transitions you add will also have this new setting. So if you change your settings and there were already transitions in your project, these won't be affected, but every other transition you add after you change it will be affected. And you can change your default transition time for your project. So go to Edit, Preferences, Timeline, and here you can change the default transition for the video and the audio. It's easy as that. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.